Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to ask FedEx about a package to be delivered. There are a couple of ways to inquire about a FedEx package. Some of the easiest way is to track the package online and to contact FedEx customer support. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways. So the first way is to track the package online. Open up a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in fedex.com. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. Once you get to the main homepage, you will be able to see a text box where it says Tracking ID. Enter your tracking ID in the text box, which should be 12 digits long. After you type in your tracking ID, click on the Track button. And the tracking information will provide details about the shipment's status, location, and estimated delivery date. So the next way you can ask FedEx for the package is by contacting the FedEx customer service. If the tracking ID that you have is not working for you to track your package, then you can simply call the FedEx customer service line. Simply go to the support drop-down at the top of the screen and click on it. Now click on the Customer Support button and click on Tracking and Managing Delivery. Now you will be able to find useful information about the package delivery and much more. To directly call the customer support via a phone call, simply scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us button. Now select your area or your location and you will be provided with the list of phone numbers you can call, and you can have a chat with the customer service representative via a phone call, and you can now directly ask about the package yourself. So that is how you should be able to ask about your package delivery on FedEx. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.